Bubble Soft Swerve Barrier. Restore Balm feels like a true rescue product for dry, stressed out skin. The rich, buttery texture melts in quickly and instantly makes skin feel softer, calmer, and deeply moisturized without feeling greasy. One of the biggest benefits is how well it supports the skin barrier. Redness looks reduced, dryness improves right away, and skin appears more plump, smooth, and healthy, which makes it especially great for winter skin or after treatments. The formula shines thanks to nourishing ingredients like squalane, derived from sugarcane to help draw in and retain moisture, and shea butter, which deeply conditions the skin and locks in hydration for lasting comfort. This balm can be used anywhere from head to toe, whether on dry patches, irritated areas, or as an overnight recovery treatment, making it a versatile, soothing staple when your skin needs extra care and protection. Like a true rescue product for dry, stressed out skin. The rich